Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Children, we are here to learn the Quran and talk in Arabic. كيف حالكم? How are you all doing? Wow! Isn't it exciting that you can learn Quran and Arabic at the same time? I'm sure it is. So let's buckle up and start. Children, we have just studied ikhfa, or to hide. Can you say min? Very easy. But can you now say minka? Not that easy, is it? To say ka, you have to keep your tongue straight. To say noon sakin, like in min, you have to touch the tip. What do you do then? Suppress the noon a little bit, but give double stretch so it's heard clearly, such as minka. Similarly, whenever we have noon sakin or tanween, and after that any of the letters of ikhfa coming, we have to make sure half of it will be the sound of noon and half of it will be the next letter coming after it. For example, in minka, noon sakin, after that you have ka. So you don't say minka, but you say minka. Minka. Similarly, almost all the tip letters require the tip to be touched. Therefore, when they come after noon sakin sacrifices itself with half sound but stretches it double. We are here to learn the Quran and talk in Arabic. So, buckle up and let's go and learn how to recite Quran properly. Children, we are starting the examples of ikhfa, and the first letter for ikhfa and its example is anta. Noon sakin, after that you have ta, so you have to say half noon and half ta by not pressing your teeth like so. Anta. And the example for tanween, فريقا تقتلون. Again, أنت فريقا تقتلون. Very good. Let's go to the next one. As we go along in our lesson, I'm sure you'll get the grip of it. You'll understand how to recite it properly, inshallah. So don't be sad, don't be shy. Try to see if you can follow along in the most enthusiastic way possible, inshallah. So let's go. ث فمن ثقلت ماء ثجاجا. فمن ثقلت ماء ثجاجا. Make sure that you say th, not sa. Ma'an sajjajan is wrong, but say ma'an sajjaja. The next one is ja. Man ja'a. Example for tanween is فصبر جميل. فصبر جميل. The next example is for the. عند قنوان دانية. قنوان دانية. We have now the letter the, so let's take its examples. من ذكر. من ذكر. Example for tanween. كل نفس ذائقة الموت. كل نفس ذائقة الموت. Example for ذا. أنزل. Example for tanween. يومئذ زرقا. يومئذ زرقا. Listen carefully. أنزل يومئذ زرقا. Example for sa. الإنسان قولا سديدا. This was the example for tanween. قولا سديدا. Now we come to the example for sha. من شيء تنوين نفس شيئا. Example for صا. من صيام. Example for تنوين عملا صالحا. Example for ضاء منضود قوما ضالين. Now we come to examples for طاء with nun sakin and tanween. For إخفاء من طين قوما طاغين. Again, من طين قوما طاغين. And then we have ظا من ظهير ظلا ظليلا. من ظهير ظلا ظليلا. The next one is fa. من فضله من فضله خالدا فيها خالدا فيها. The next one is qa. So your ikhfa has to be a little bit thicker. Not min qarib, but من قريب على كل شيء قدير. And if you want to stop, من قريب على كل شيء قدير. One more time. من قريب على كل شيء قدير. And the last example for إخفاء, for nun sakin and tanween are إن كنتم INK إن كنتم رزق كريم. Again, إن كنتم INK plus KUNTUM. إن كنتم رزق كريم. MashaAllah, children, that was fantastic. Children, we are now going to learn how to write Arabic. So let's try to write a very small word, and after that we'll follow with a little bit bigger word. Don't worry about it, because learning Arabic is a lot of fun and interesting at the same time. But you have to remember, a small mistake can lead you to a huge gap in the meanings of whatever you write. So let me show you the first word for today's lesson. I grab my board and my marker and show you the first word, which is anta. Anta has the a with the noon, and then you have the sukoon, and you have the with the fatha, anta. So again, anta. Make sure that you take your pen and write with me. Ta. The two dots, the dot of the noon, the fatha, the sukoon, and you write anta. Now let me show you the second word for today's lesson, which is فريقا تقتلون. So it's a little bit longer word, but don't worry about it. Let's start with the fa and the ra, the dot,
Fari with the ya and the qa, the two dots, the sukoon, the qan, fariqan. Taq, ta and qa, the two dots, with the sukoon and the fatha, and the two loon. So two dots, the dhamma, and the dhamma on the lam, the sukoon, and the na, and the fatha. Fariqan taqtulun. Make sure that you take your pen and write again. Fariqan. The two fatha and the taqtulun with the lam and the waw. The two dots of the two dots, the sukoon, the dhamma for la, and the sukoon, the noon, the dot, and that's nothing. Don't make a mess when you're writing. Don't make a mess like that. Fariqan taqtulun. MashaAllah, you have done a great job coming this far, and I would like you to continue and finish few more lessons before you can graduate from our course. La ilaha illallah. Wow. That is to testify that there is no God worthy of worship except Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But wait a minute. Isn't that in a language that we don't understand? Come on. We do understand. You know why? Because you are learning Arabic with actions. Come with me. Let's learn Arabic with actions. Ilayya means to me. Ilayna means to us. Ilayya means to me. Ilayna means to us. Ilayya means to me. Ilayna means to us. For the last time, Ilayya means to me. Ilayna means to us. It's your turn now to say it in Arabic. Ilayya means to me. Ilayna means to us. Ilayya means to me. Ilayna means to us. Oops! I just did a mistake. I asked you to repeat only in Arabic. So repeat in Arabic. Ilayya ilayna. Ilayya ilayna. Ilayya ilayna. Ilayya ilayna. Ilayya ilayna. Again for the last time. Ilayya ilayna. Now repeat with me slowly. Ilayya ilayna. Ilayya ilayna. Ilayya ilayna. For the last time. Ilayya ilayna. MashaAllah, that was fantastic. Let us practice what we have learned so far. Ilayhi means to him. Ilayhim means to them. Ilayka means to you. Ilaykum means to you all. Ilayya means to me. Ilayna means to us. It's your turn. Repeat after me in Arabic only. Ilayhi ilayhim. Ilayka ilaykum. Ilayka ilaykum. Ilayya ilayna. Ilayya ilayna. Excellent. Again. Ilayhi ilayhim. Ilayhi ilayhim. Ilayka ilaykum. Ilayka ilaykum. Ilayya ilayna. Ilayya ilayna. For the last time. Ilayhi ilayhim. Ilayka ilaykum. Ilayya ilayna. MashaAllah, that was wonderful. Now, you repeat with me slowly. Ilayhi ilayhim. Ilayka ilaykum. Ilayya ilayna. Again. Ilayhi ilayhim. Ilayka ilaykum. Don't get bored. This is the cycle where we are saying together.
إليه إليهم إليك إليكم إلي إلينا. Again, إليه إليهم إليك إليكم إلي إلينا. MashaAllah. Excellent. Wow, children, I'm so excited to teach you Quran and talk in Arabic at the same time. I'm sure that all of you are so excited at the same time, and I'm sure that all of us will see each other in our next class. That's all for now. See you next class. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum.